So today we're doing a little bit of social distancing and going out to Sardine Creek with a couple of the guys. One man in each vehicle, just gonna enjoy the country and the scenery and a few tough roads maybe. We'll see. Anyways, enjoy. For this little bit of Budget Outlaws, we'll skip past the Jeep build and jump right into the fun part. But we'll get more on that later in another video. In the meantime, I'll let you enjoy some wheeling.
Have you ever been out wheeling knowing where you want to go? Was that the road that you took last time? Or maybe it's a bit further down the trail. Or you try it and it has a lock gate. No, not too many street signs out there. But the guys found it, and it was worth a search.
Okay. All right.
And then we found this little side detour. Well, we didn't know it was a detour at the time. Seriously, we all thought we were going to end up on our side of something. I know I did. But we made it.
I think I did. Smile.
Crutchfield did say if you make it, you come out in Rogue River.
If you make it.
So it's a nice road, I think.
I might. Let me look. We got a tree down. What is it?
My back end's off the ground on this side.
You're touching. Yeah, that was fun.
That guy I just talked to is a local. They call this the crack. It was a lot of fun. Yeah.
And after a bit of fun and excitement, we were back on the trail. The option to go left or right. Our leader went right and he had the short wheelbase. Well, lots of backing up and he finally made it. I chose left, although it was fine for me. One rock slider was a bit worse for the wear, or should I say a tree stump slider. Then as the others made it through, I noticed my battery voltage was about 7 volts. My alternator didn't live through one of those mud crossings. So after a few stops and hooking up battery cables, charging my battery for a while, and then heading out for a bit until it died again. Then we finally made it. Hey, what a great day. And my alternator even started working on the way home. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. We sure did. Catch you next time.